In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective SMMA outreach strategies to help you land high-paying clients for your agency. As you know, social media marketing agency, SMMA, is a growing industry, and with the increase in competition, it's essential to have a solid outreach strategy to get ahead. Whether you're just starting out or already running a successful agency, the strategies we'll cover in this video can be applied to attract new clients and close more deals. So, get ready to learn some proven techniques to stand out from the competition and win high-paying clients. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to make your outreach efforts more effective and bring in more business for your agency. Let's dive right in. Point 1. Identify your ideal client before reaching out to potential clients. It's important to identify your ideal client. Look at your current portfolio and identify the clients that have been the most profitable and satisfying to work with. Analyze their industries, sizes, and pain points to create a profile of your ideal client. This will help you tailor your outreach efforts and message to the right people. Additionally, conducting market research to find businesses that fit your ideal client profile can help you find potential clients. Point 2. Leverage your network. Leveraging your personal and professional network can be an effective way to find new clients. Let people in your network know that you're looking for new clients and ask for referrals or introductions. Attend industry events and conferences to expand your network and meet potential clients. Offering incentives to your current clients for referring new business can also help you get new clients. Point 3. Personalize your outreach. Personalization is key in SMMA outreach. Rather than sending generic emails or messages, take the time to research the business and understand their needs. Use this information to tailor your approach to each individual client. Mention specific pain points or goals that your agency can help them with. This can help you establish a stronger connection with a potential client and increase your chances of landing them as a client. Point 4. Provide value first. Providing value first is an effective way to build trust and credibility with potential clients. Before pitching your services, offer them something of value that can help them with their business. This could be a free consultation, an audit of their website or social media accounts, or a detailed analysis of their competition. By providing value first, you establish yourself as an expert in your field and make it more likely that the potential client will choose to work with you. Point 5. When it comes to follow-up and SMMA outreach, timing is everything. You want to strike a balance between being persistent and not being too pushy. One effective strategy is to set up a system for follow-up that includes both email and phone calls. This way, you can reach out to the potential client using different methods and increase the chances of getting a response. Another helpful tool is a CRM, customer relationship management, system, which can help you track your interactions with potential clients and schedule follow-up tasks. This way, you can ensure that you don't forget to follow up with a potential client, and you can keep track of any previous conversations you've had with them. In your follow-up messages, it's important to mention any new developments in your agency that might be relevant to the potential client. For example, if you've worked with a client in their industry before, mention it in your follow-up to show that you have experience in their industry. This can help build credibility and establish trust with the potential client. Finally, make sure to follow up at appropriate intervals. Avoid being too pushy by spacing out your follow-up messages and calls. If you haven't received a response after a few attempts, it might be time to move on and focus on other potential clients. Remember, the key is to be persistent, but not annoying. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of landing high-paying clients through SMMA outreach. So there you have it, guys, the best SMMA outreach strategies for landing high-paying clients. Remember, success in SMMA outreach takes time, effort, and persistence. But with these strategies, you can stand out from the competition and grow your agency to new heights. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.